In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of Discord server. To get started, go ahead and open Discord on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Transferring ownership of a Discord server is inevitable, so make sure that you are certain of your decision that you want to transfer the ownership of your server. So first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into that specific server. Now once you're on that server, go ahead and click on that server's name and this will pop up on your screen. So in here, go ahead and click on the invite button. You'll find this below your server name. Click on that invite button to invite that specific user that you want to add into your server and to whom you want to transfer the ownership of your server to. After that, go ahead and click on your server name again and click on the settings button. In here, go ahead and head over into the members section. You'll find this under the user management. And here, go ahead and click on that specific member to whom you want to transfer the ownership of the Discord server to. And at the bottom of your screen, you should be able to find transfer ownership button. But since this is actually just application added into my server, I won't be able to transfer it into this application. But you can transfer ownership of your server into a specific user. And that is how you can simply transfer ownership of Discord server. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.